Tornado. This is the biggest tornado. Well, not the biggest tornado, but there's 4 tornadoes. Like what? What is this? That is like too much. Okay, so really quick, we're gonna hype. Okay, yeah, I still have that amount.
Mami.
Dang! Okay. Why is it really laggy? I don't know why it's laggy. Okay. Here we go. Tornado Alley. Roblox. Here we go! Oh my god. If I die, I'm gonna be so mad. Oh my god. Look at that.
Grecia. Pues déjalo así.
Oh god. Oh my god. Oh my god, guys. Look at this. Oh my god. This is like so much. No, 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 no! No! I died again. What the heck? Okay, I don't know what was the game mode for this round again? I don't know, I don't remember. Well, lol, I'm like this. Okay, this is Van. Okay, yay. Okay, what do okay. I'm going to inside the camper. Okay. Okay. I'm just gonna go in. But the camper is gonna get destroyed anyway, so we're gonna have to get out as soon as we can. So just this round then. Okay. Let's do 2 more rounds. And then yeah, team. Okay. This is weird. Wait. Okay, guys. I answered okay to a person that wants to be in my team. Yahoo! Yahoo! Oh, you want to search something up in Yahoo? Sure. I'm just kidding. Oh, okay. What's it going to be? I don't remember what it was going to be. I forgot. I didn't see. Oh, frick! Oh, it's Sharknado. Okay, I'm just gonna, oh, frick. No. I'm just gonna do this.